push it further to the left.
Like this?
Yes, tightly packed.
मैं second coat tube करने वाले कैसे?
Automated scraping arms peel away membrane layers while protecting the natural grain. Agitation drums tumble the hides to dislodge stubborn debris trapped in the grain.
Check the grain right here under the light. Looks consistent. Approved for the next stage.
Is this cart full yet?
Almost, just 2 more on top. Make sure the edges are aligned.
Flow rate is holding steady after the adjustment.
Confirmed. Pressure levels look nominal across the board.
Newly tanned hides rise onto drainage conveyors, now richer in grain texture and soft pliability. Hydration sprayers mist the hides to maintain balance and prevent over-drying during transition stages.
Push your side up, it's getting caught. Okay, I got it. Watch the edge there.
Industrial fans move heavy air currents to prevent cracking and maintain leather softness.
Looks like the moisture content is stable here.
All right, let's check the eastern quadrant next.
Hides enter a cold air preservation chamber to lock in structural stability and soften fiber stresses.
Automated stretching frames pull hides evenly to maintain uniform thickness and shape.
Micro mist sprayers coat the hides with ultra-fine preservation oils for long-lasting durability.
Programmable dryers finalize internal moisture content with millisecond accuracy.
The preserved hides exit the corridor with smooth, uniform grain, ideal for premium footwear production.
Laser projection systems map cutting outlines across each hide to maximize yield and reduce waste.
Automated dye sprayers coat the hides with deep fashion tones that enrich natural sheep grain textures. A radiant thermal sealing chamber locks pigments into the grain, producing long-lasting color depth and finish. Automated edge burnishers use heated micro tools to seal thick and thin hide edges with flawless smoothness. High-speed polishing belts refine surface textures, producing a ballashed matte gloss finish, ideal for premium fashion.
UV curing tunnels harden protective layers uniformly, securing long-term resistance against wear and moisture.
Reinforcement layers are added to toe boxes, heel counters, and garment stress zones for added structure. Foam pressure molds finalize the shape of footwear uppers, ensuring clean lines and structural integrity. Custom dust bags slide over footwear and fashion items, offering additional high-end protection.
Products move toward rigid designer boxes lined with satin cushioning for boutique-level presentation.